Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Sequoia seats. This easy method will help you gain significant cargo space in your vehicle. You'll only need a few basic tools, and the entire process can often be completed in under 1 hour. We'll cover everything from preparation to safely lifting the seats out, making it a straightforward task for anyone. To start, gather your essential tools. You'll need a socket wrench, along with 10mm and 14mm sockets for most seat bolts. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool will assist with prying off covers. Before touching any bolts, clear out any floor mats and carefully remove the plastic cargo covers to expose the seat mounting points. Now let's get to the main task. Each seat is typically held by 4 bolts. Use your 10 or 14mm socket to loosen and remove them. Before lifting, look for and disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses, especially for powered seats or sensors. Don't forget to push the seat belt buckles through their slots. With all connections free, the seat is ready to be lifted out. Seats can be surprisingly heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with care and consider having a second person assist you. Once removed, you'll have a much larger, versatile cargo area. When reinstalling, simply reverse the steps, align the seats, reattach all wiring harnesses, and secure the 4 bolts firmly. This process is straightforward, giving you flexibility for your vehicle's needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.